Welcome to the Designer's Choice tutorial on the Presidential Quote Program. To enter the program, double-click on the logo marked Quote Program Presidential. Brings up the opening screen. To immediately enter the program, click anywhere on the screen. First thing you want to do is set your defaults. To do this, click on the Edit button, click on Defaults, click on plus next to Dealer, and then click on Name Address. Go to the right window. Under Dealer Name, put in your company name. Under Address, put in your address, city, state, and zip code. When complete, go to the left window, click on Cost Discount Percent. Go back to the right side. If your multiplier is a 2.5, put in a cost discount percent of 7.5, no decimal points, no zeros. If you have a 2.8 multiplier, put in a cost discount percent of 72, 7.2, no decimal points. When you're done, click on OK. I'll bring you back to the main screen. Now we can start entering an order. To do this, click on File, New. Brings up an Order Information window. Click on the Select Style Options button. Brings up the Select window. Go to the Select Upper Style and Finish and double-click on the Style button. This brings a list of door styles. For this sample, we're going to use the Breckenridge and the Breckenridge Arch. Scroll down the list until you get to the Breckenridge door. We're going to set this as our base cabinet door. So left click on it, hold your left mouse button down, and drag it to the right to the field that's marked Style Lower, and let go. We have now set the lower door style for our vanities and our base cabinets to be Breckenridge. If you do not put in a door style in this field, when you're pricing your kitchen, anytime you have a base or vanity cabinet, you'll get an error message, NA. If you see that, the first thing to check is to make sure your lower cabinet style has been selected. Now we're going to set our upper style. Go back to the window marked Select Upper Style and Finish. Go down to the door style you're choosing, in this case Breckenridge Arch, and double click on it. When you double click on it, it'll bring up a list of colors. We're going to use medium maple for this example, so we'll scroll down to medium maple and click on it. We have now set the door style and the color for our example. The next thing we want to do is set the options. First two options are Wood Dovetail Drawer Box Full Extension Guide and Plywood Drawer Box. The standard drawer box for Presidential is a 5/8 hardwood drawer with undermount guides. The standard drawer box is not listed here. If that's what you're choosing, simply do not check any drawer box option. If you want to choose the Wood Dovetail Drawer Box, click in the square to the left of it. If you want to choose the Plywood Drawer Box, click in the left box left to that. Never click on both boxes at the same time. You will get inaccurate pricing if you do. For our example, we're going to leave it with the Wood Dovetail Drawer Box. After that, we're going to look at our drawer front style. There are 3 drawer front styles available. Slab front is standard and it's not on the list. If you're choosing the slab front, you do not need to do anything. Since we have chosen a square raised panel door, if we want a matching drawer front, we'll click on the raised panel drawer fronts. If we had chosen a flat panel door, such as a Briarwood or a Savannah, then you would select the 5-piece drawer fronts. If you select the wrong drawer front, you will get an error message when you're entering your cabinets. In this case, we want the raised panel drawer front. The next options are for your glazing. There are 4 glazed options, brown, black, pewter, and white, that are a line glaze. Then there are 4 glaze options, again brown, black, pewter, and white, that are for white glaze. Select one of these 8 glaze options. Do not select more than one. After setting your glaze options, there are a series of options for special color finishes. In this section, you may select multiple options. For instance, you can choose rub through, distressing, and wormhole. The last option is a custom color match first time charge option. This one is only to be used when you're ordering a sample door by itself. Never use this in an actual kitchen order. When you've selected all your options, click on OK. Brings you back to the order information screen. Click in the discount % window and enter the same discount number that you put in your defaults. In this case, we're going to use 75. For the purpose of this tutorial, we do not go into the local tax rate, state tax rate, install fee, delivery fee, or deposit amount. After setting your discount amount, go to your bill to information, enter that into the system, then click on your ship to information and enter where you want the cabinet shipped to. Next step will be to put in your purchase order number. Go to the tag field, type in your purchase order number. Then go to the PO tag field and type in your purchase order number again. Each one of these fields prints on a different report. If you put your purchase order number field in both of them, you'll be assured that it'll show up on all of your reports. When you're finished, click on OK.